Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little video of how I'm going to be setting up my vanity. I have been on a journey for a while now to finally get a vanity and all of that stuff set up in my room, and I finally found the best most affordable way to do it. So if you want to find out how that happened, how I set it up, see the final product, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are _ it's Gilly. Now let's jump into today's video, y'all. So like I said, I have been, also please don't mind my bed behind me. I literally need to get my life together and my bed's not done. Just don't look at it. But I have been on a journey to get a vanity desk and area or whatever, just so that I have a more specific area to get ready with. Also not to mention, a lot of vanities are extremely expensive. I'm talking $200 to $300, and I'm like, for what, So I finally the other week was on IKEA, just scrolling around on their website, and I came across this desk right here, which I will obviously give you guys more of a close-up on. And I was like, wait a minute, why is this desk $49.99? And that's essentially $50. I feel comfortable spending $50 on this desk. And the great thing is it has a drawer, it has a little hole for you to put chargers and stuff through. Super cute. I'm definitely gonna link this in the description bar down below if you guys are interested in it. But we're just gonna jump into the setup and kind of me arranging just kind of my more essential makeup items that I would wear for everyday look, that sort of thing. I have my other makeup thingy over here, which I guess I'll show you guys what my actual current makeup situation is and why I really need this desk, or this vanity rather. And then that mirror that's behind me, I never wanted it there. I literally just put it up because I needed to put it up somewhere, but I'm gonna take it down and then essentially put it here. And I bought those lights from Amazon to put around it. It's gonna be super cute. It's gonna be super fun, y'all. So let's jump into this because I've obviously yabbered on way too long already. Okay, so this is actually a really big mirror, and fun fact, I actually got this mirror on Facebook Marketplace for $10. This is a heavy mirror, and I think it obviously cost way more than $10. So another pro tip, if you're looking for just little knickknacks for your house, but you don't want to spend $1 million, I definitely suggest you look at Facebook Marketplace or any of your local websites that sell stuff from people around, OfferUp, that kind of stuff. Good place. And then just so you guys know, I do hold up this mirror on my walls using some command strips, the really big ones. Make sure you get the really big ones, people. Please do not try to get little command strips to hold something this heavy. And on this mirror, I actually have 6 command strips just to make sure it's so suitable. It holds up, and you see how hard it was for me to take it off the wall. So very good. What I'm gonna do now is actually I am going to attach these lights that I got from Amazon. I just want to show you guys these lights. So these are just little light thingies, and you can like attach them to any surface that you want, and they actually have like the little glue thing. I think I got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks. So then it gives you that like lighted vanity mirror effect without buying a real one. And they give you like the stickers here. So I'm just gonna like try to figure out how to set that up. So you know. Okay, so this is it all done. I am a little upset that you can see like the wire and stuff, but you know, like, beggars can't be choosers. I am going to cut off just this little smidgy widgy thing here because it looks weird unless I like tape it down. And then I did have one little thing of lights that like didn't perfectly fit. So I'm just gonna like leave it there because while you can cut the strings, I can't cut this one because it's at the bottom where you're supposed to connect it. So, moral of the story, guys, plan this out a little bit better. I thought I planned, but clearly not enough. So now that the mirror's all done, I'll also show you guys that it lights up like really well. It has multiple settings. So there's this remote, so you can turn it on, and it's super bright, guys. Like, I'm astounded by the brightness of these little lights. And then you can like dim it, you see, you can up it, like make it brighter. I think you can like change the light setting, make it more like cool tone or brighter. Then you can bring it back, like you can make it more yellow depending on your mood. I'm so excited for this. So yeah, let's move on to arranging the desk area. Just a couple of items. This is just a phone holder because I am doing more TikToks and whatnot now, and I just like got this cool movable phone holder to film from, this little desk. And this one had really great reviews on Amazon. Again, this will be linked down below. I have this is an empty candle jar actually, and I'm just going to use it as like another container to hold some more brushes in because I am totally running out of like brush holder containers, and I just thought I'd repurpose this since like the candle was done. And then I got this cute little jar here from IKEA. It was $4.99, and it does have like a lid so that I could put all my sponges in, so they have like a cute little place to live. And I've been looking for one of these forever, but I just never thought that I should spend more than like $5 on this sort of jar, and I finally found one. So yeah. And then of course these are my little stickies for the mirror that we will put up very soon. So let's start adding some makeup. And then, like I said, you know, there's that hole there, and then there's like a drawer which I'm super excited about, so I can store some goodies in here. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, y'all, so I've gathered a few of just like my favorite products. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna arrange like my eye brushes, since I don't really use all of them every day, into like this one, or if this is just gonna be like my empties container. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange all of these in here and then come back to show you guys the final product. I'm super excited, y'all. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the final product here. This is super, super cute, guys. Literally, the lights are so bright in my room. It's unreal. I did decide to kind of lighten up my load a little bit. So yeah, I've got all my sponges in here. They're super cute. I've only decided to put like my favorite like complexion brushes in here, as well as my most used like eye brushes. Instead of trying to have all of my brushes here, I have the rest of them along with that candle jar with some brushes in it over back on my main like dresser and whatnot. And then I just put like some of my favorite products that I've been really obsessed with lately. My cute little candle from Forever Mood, some lotion there, and then of course in the drawer I have just a couple of fragrances, and then I do have this little kit that I purchased but kept forgetting to use. So I've put it in here so that I could use it and ultimately purchase a fragrance that I really like. Realized I had this random empty container, so I just used it for a little bit more organization. Again, honestly, just like a lot of my favorites, nothing too crazy. But yeah, overall, I love this. Okay, so I just wanted to like kind of take some footage of me in front of the mirror with like all of the lights, and I'm literally just on my phone using the front camera. I mean, I have an iPhone 11 Pro, but still using the front camera, and look at how clean and defined this looks. Like, I'm telling you guys, this is a hack that you definitely want. Please save your money. Please do not invest in things that are way too expensive and that you really don't need, when I've basically made myself a nice little vanity area in my room for less than $100. I am thoroughly impressed with the way everything came out. And like I said, you see back there, you can see the like candle thingy holding some more sponges, and I'm gonna fix that area up some more. But because I have all this makeup here, I now can put up more like decorative stuff in my room, because it's definitely a bit bleh, as you guys can see. But I am obsessed. I'm so excited to film more videos for you guys on TikTok. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, please do so immediately. Remedy that situation. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. You know, I'm just trying to help y'all out. So go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.